everybody, welcome to News Scrolls, cover reviews and files. Welcome, thank you for tuning in. All right, so this is an unboxing of Boxy Charm for, I believe this is the month of May. So if you want to check it out, please stay tuned. All right, so y'all, yes, okay. All right, so this is the Boxy Charm. I believe this is May. I haven't done a Boxy Charm in probably like a few months because one of my videos, I think I have to put that one up. So that one will be up before this video. Then I have another box that I have to not unbox because it was opened. And then I'll get to that story in a little bit. But yeah, I might do two boxes in one. So this video may be a little bit long. So this one is May, or I might do another video. I'll do another video. Anyway, so I gotta just have some videos to put out. But anyway, I digress. Okay, so let's get to it, okay? All right, so we're gonna get into it. It is a little late here in Jersey, but that's okay. You know, I'm gonna get all these videos out because tomorrow I'm relaxing. I am off work, so that's basically about that. Okay, so bam, we got some goodies in here. This is what it's looking like. You know, Cover FX, I'm sorry, because Cover FX right there. You know, Boxy Charm always have, you know, a nice box or what have you. So let me look on my phone so I can get the Boxy Charm. All right, so they did have an waiting list, and they said the waiting list is gone now. So that's basically about that. I know I'm late with the May right now because May about to be over. So yeah, so you will receive 4 to 5 full-size products and free shipping on all U.S. orders. You'll get something like Color Pop Tart or Cover FX, and it's $21 a month when you subscribe. It's 21 bill monthly, and it's non-refundable, renews automatically, and you can cancel at any time. All right, so I probably do this 2 or 3 more times, and I'm gonna cancel it because you guys know I'm on a budget. And this is $21 that I could be saving for like sinking funds. If you don't know what I'm talking about, definitely go check out my budgeting videos, okay? All right, so here we go. So we're gonna get to the items, and we're gonna just go up close real quick, okay? And then we're gonna get into it. All right, so let me stop. All right, so now let's get into it. So we got the all natural lip gloss, as you guys can see here. Okay, bam. All right, hand. Okay. What does that stand for? Okay, so anyway, I'm opening this up. Okay, hold on. And I want to give y'all a swatch. And it's a natural lip gloss. Oh, maybe I could use this like on days where I'm not wearing any makeup. Sorry for the swatches. I did like a lot of swatch videos today, so. Okay, there it is. That's what it's looking like right there. Okay, sorry about that, y'all. I just did a highlighter video. Okay. All right, so this is an all. Let me see what it smells like. Oh, it smells like hay batter. It says all natural lip gloss, antioxidants and vitamins. Okay, healthy and natural. All right. Then we have an Estetica brush. Oh, what we doing? Okay. Yeah, these brushes are kind of expensive. Oh, what? Do you see this? Y'all see this brush? I forgot I was on camera. I got too into the. This looks so soft. Maybe I have to put this on slow-mo. Let me do this. And I'm put on slow-mo. Okay, here we go. Ooh, this is so soft, y'all. Like, ooh, don't like a feathery fluff. Okay. All right, now we got Cover FX blurring primer. Okay, y'all. Look at Cover FX. Okay, let's see. I want to see if it's like a silicone or if it's like a tacky. That's why I'm opening it now. Usually I don't open it, but let me see. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's like a tan. So let's just put it on here. I'm rubbing it on here and see what happens. Okay, it's not a silicone, but this is what it looks. Oh, wait a minute. This is what it looking like right there. Right there. Oh, snap. Oh, I might have to try this out. Okay, Cover FX. Okay, boo, I'll see you. All right. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh. Wait a minute. It says the Blacklist Gel Liner. Wait, that. What is going? Oh my! You see this packaging, right? I don't know why. Okay, this is by Pretty Vulgar. Look at this packaging. Come on. Oh, this video about to go up before my other video. Look at it. Oh, come on now. Come on now. This is so. This is so beautiful. And guess what? Look. Oh my God. Yo, I'm so amazed because I'm going to try that. The next time I do my eyebrows, I'm definitely going to try that. And I'm going to let y'all know, like, for real. Like, and I want to know how it's going to look because, let me show y'all. I got a spoolie from Aesthetica. Got a spoolie. We got a angle brush. And we got a thin brush. And I saw this on one of my YouTubers, my favorite YouTubers, page today. She used this, but she used another product, but she used this. But I do have a brush like this from my rose gold collection, I believe. I don't know where it's at, but yeah, but oh my goodness. Oh, I thought we was done. But they tricked me and they put something up under. What are we doing today? What? Oh, so what we got? They always put pure in here. Pure. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, snap. I hope I ain't break none. They be having this stuff so secure. I be forgetting they had this stuff on the side. Okay. I was about to break. I hope I ain't break nothing. Oh, snap. You are the sculptor of your own destiny. That's what the mirror says. And look at this. Ooh. Ooh la la. They got original and inventor, trailblazer, and founder. Okay, so what is this? The sculptor. This is what this. Oh, highlight and contour palette. So let's swatch these. So we're going to start with originator. Okay, let's start with the originator. Let's see. Let's put it right here. Originator. Ooh, we got inventor, which is like a brown. We got trailblazer. Sorry for the swatches, y'all. I've been doing swatches all day. And founder. This is founder. Okay, and that's where this came from. Okay. All right, so we got some nice little goodies here. Oh, I am so super. This, you know what really got me? You know what really got me? This. I can't wait to use this, okay? I'm going to sit this right here so I can remember to use that because that, and I'm going to put these brushes out here too because I need to use these as well. So, and this brush too. Okay, we using that and we're going to be using this whole box. All right, because I ain't got time for that. Good Boxy Charm. Okay, so let's get into the prices. Okay. All right, so this is called the Boxy Bash. Okay, and Boxy Bash. Okay. All right, so it says the Pure Sculptor palette is a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas, and the formulas are buttery. Guess how much this was? $30. Like, can you believe that? Anyway, Cover FX Blurring Primer is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. Guess how much this is? $38. Okay, this highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. It's creamy and water resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays placed all day. This is it's $24. Okay. Oh, it's gel eyeliner. I'm thinking it's for your eyebrows, but I could try for my eyebrows, right? I don't know. But anyway, I'm thinking it's for the eyebrows, but it's still cute. The package is still cute though. Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio. The Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 used for wide variety of looks from a subtle wing to dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. Guess how much? I told you these brushes cost a lot. $45. For that 3 trio that I showed you, $45. And I hope I'm saying it right, Aesthetica. Another Aesthetica, the P12 face brush, that fluffy brush I showed you, with synthetic fibers that allows for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. $27. And then we have the HAN Hand Skincare Lip Gloss. The Hand Skincare Cosmetics Moisturizing Lip Gloss is formulated with antioxidant, rich argan and acai oil, and infused with anti-aging superfruit extracts and vitamins to benefit the lips while delivering a beautiful color from natural sources, which is $15. Add that up and you get the value of probably like $100 and something. I will put the because I don't feel like doing the math right now, so you guys know I always put it in the video. But yeah, so this is pretty good. Okay, you get 20% off of Cover FX. Use code Boxy and then 15% off. You can use Boxy May for Pure. So that's basically about that. And they have all their social media handles here as well. And this is a nice card, but that box was bomb. Okay, that was a good box. Okay, Boxy Charm did good with that box. I really like this packaging. Like, this is really cute. I've never saw this in my entire life. So yeah, so this says it's an ink gel liner. I'm gonna look this up and see. Can you use it like for eyebrows? I mean, I don't know. I have to look to see what the consistency is, and I'll have to judge from there. But I like the way, like, you know how you had them back in the olden days where they had the ink felt tip with a feather, and that's what it looks like, and it has like the feather on it. That's so cool and creative. Like, wow. I'm so fascinated by this. Like, that's why I like giving my, like, you know, when I do my unboxings, I like to give, like, you know, my first reaction to it instead of just unboxing it and then coming on, because you get to see my live, like, reaction. Like, I'm sharing it with y'all, like, y'all seeing, like, you know, with me, instead of just, like, showing y'all because I already saw it. So, but that's the next box review that's going to be coming up, because it was already open anyway. But I digress, okay? But that's basically it, you guys. So, yeah. So, Boxy Charm is pretty cool. I sadly to say that I will have to cancel soon because I am on a budget. And like I said, that $21 can go to somewhere else, even though these products that they send are very cool. And the box value that they send you full-size products, and the box value be like $100 and something. So, but I can always pick it back up when I feel as though my budget is sturdy, and if I want to treat myself for a few months and do that. But as of right now, I don't need any, you know, extra bills. So I will, you know, cancel in a few months. So yeah, I should have canceled when I started the budgeting, but you know, but that's it, you guys. So I'm done. I will put everything down in the description bar below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the docs. Say that's coming on. That makes some working. That's it. Thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.